Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for Experience, letting our customers speak for our success. Our customers have ranked us #1 on G2 for 15 straight quarters thanks to our ease of use and our focus on accurate, secure data. The CallRail Experience. Ever ask a caller, "Have you find out about our business?" With call tracking, you'll know before you even pick up the phone. Better yet, you'll have powerful analytics around which ads, campaigns, or search terms inspire your best leads to reach out, so you can invest more into the marketing that moves your business forward. With Lead Center, you can sell, text, and chat from one easy-to-use form inbox. Combined with our analytics suite, you'll also have the real-time visibility to know which marketing sources are making your phone ring. Add Lead Center to unlock the complete CallRail platform. 10 local numbers, 1,000 form submissions, 10,000 transcription minutes, unlimited softphone minutes, unlimited SMS text messages. Smarter marketing for agencies and your clients. Report on all touchpoints without platform bias. CallRail objectively tracks the impact of each touchpoint in the customer journey, including ads, organic searches, direct mail, and much more. You can then package that data into easy-to-interpret reports that prove the value of your work to your clients. We work the way you work. Our pre-built integrations let you feed data from CallRail into the marketing tools your clients use most, like HubSpot. You can also use our open API to connect data from CallRail into other tools they may use. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.